Air cooler? Heater? Or a mug? Yes, all of the above. The AC Mug. Outdoor shopping? Put eyes in. Click on. Cold air out. Super powerful motor blows cold air in seconds. Cool the environment instantly. Doing exercise. Thirst quenching. Cooling down. Switch mode. 3 wind levels. Feeling cold? Fill with hot drink. Hot air out. USB-C charger. Outdoor picnic. Happy holiday. AC Mug, world's first portable mug with heat and cool fans. 2-in-1. For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.